I've been to Jeju many times. But there are a lot of tourist attractions in Jeju that I haven't been to. One of them was the coast of Jeju Youngmair. You can take bus from Jeju Bus Terminal 251 or 252. It's situated in Siagwipo City, the coast of Youngmair. There have two type of parking places. One is free and another one have to pay. Opening hours of Youngmair Coast. Every day from 10:30 to 17 o'clock. Due to bad weather, it might be closed because of safety concerns. My friend told me that Emperor Qinshi of China heard that the king was going to be a king in Jeju. King sent people to separate this places with a knife. And then blood flowed from the rock, hit by the knife. And a screaming sounded. It's just myth. It's a road that directly faces the sea. So you have to visit it, according to the sea beach. Check before when it's windy or the waves are rough. You have to check weather and make reservation in advance. On the way down to the coast, there have a Hamel landing monument to commemorate the ship on which Hamel boarded in 1653 and arrived here. It was jointly built by the Korean International Cultural Association and the Dutch Embassy in Korea in 1980. Hamel was a sailor of the Dutch East Indian Company, and he faced the storm in 1653 during the Joseon dynasty and unable to go his destination in Japan. Arrived at Moselpo from Daejeon, here in Sanbangsan, Jeju Island. Interesting story, right? Now I will show you that ship, but we can't visit inside because of COVID-19 protocol. Jeju weather changed very rapidly. The weather wasn't good, so we was unable to visit cliff. There were a lot of bumpy rocks, so be careful. It takes time to walk from start to finish. If you can enter the cliff. I wasn't allowed to enter anymore. Now I have to use stair going up. Most of it went up. All the way looked around. It's about an hour walk. In short 20 to 30 minutes. The road on the cliff was dizzying and spectacular. I looked forward because it seemed like I had been in for a while. The fact that it hasn't reached in a while. I had a long way to go. After walked in about 20 minutes, I feel like I was in the middle. I walked slowly while taking pictures. Made videos my camera. Suddenly we feel the weather's very light to be with us. The sun likes to play with clouds. It's only when taking a walk on the coast of Jeju. It was designated as a natural monument on January 13, 2011. Youngmair or Dragon Head. This is the name because resembles the head of a dragon entering the sea. From here it's normal, but if you go down to the beach along a narrow aisle, you'll see sandstone rock walls that have piled up for a long time. It's a volcanic rock formation. Formed by an underwater explosion. About 1.8 million years ago. Wow! You can see Hallison Mountain also. It is the highest point of South Korea and second highest mountain in Korea. Taekto Mountain is first. Hallison is second overall Korea. Taekto Mountain in North Korea. Hallison in South Korea. Let's talk about Youngmair, or Dragon Head. It is 600 meters long and 20 meters high. And it is a superb view by harmonizing. Horizontal stratum, suffocation blood. Horizontal stone caves, vertical joints, and small layers. On the right side of the coast, have a semicircular and soft black sand beach. Why do you see sandbanks in every time? Because I feels like a big rock mountain. Another attraction is the view. The mountains on the shore. Recommended as a tourist destination in Siagripo, Jeju Island. It's good to go to Youngmair Coast as a family trip. Also very famous for loving couples. It's time for listing sounds. Look at the creature. If you like this videos, don't forget to like or share this with others. Also, you can subscribe our channel. We got to go now. See you on next video. Remember, this is paid car parking. Opposite side have free parking. This is Sandbangson bus stop. On top of this have temple. Remember, try to be safe yourself. And smiles. Thanks for staying with us.